Finding supplies on Zebra Solutions Pathway can be done in a number of ways to suit all users. Firstly, select Printing Supplies from the mega menu and your chosen barcode or card supplies from the drop-down lists. You'll be taken to the product listing page. As a default, you'll see models at the top of the listing. Individual SKUs will be listed below the models. You can use the product type search in the filter panel to select whether you want to see only models or only SKUs. Expand the filter panel and make selections to display filtered results. You'll be able to filter your selection using product attributes specific to supplies product. Select Clear All to delete and reset the filter. If you are not sure which supplies product is most suitable for your hardware and your specific business needs, go to the Supplies Selector tool. This is where you can find your best supplies product with only a couple of clicks. When on the home page, scroll down and select Help Me Choose from the Printing Supplies Selector tool. The Supplies Configurator will open. Select your printer preferences to find specific supplies. Once complete, click on Find Supplies. The best match will be selected for you based on your printer choices. Click Add to place in your configuration. Select Add to place supplies in your list or cart.